Welcome to Barking, where I bring you today's idiom of the day, which is to be barking up the wrong tree.
If you're barking up the wrong tree, it means that you are trying to do something in a way that will not work. Now, maybe you know the verb to bark, which is the loud, rough sound a dog makes. We use it as a verb, like woof. We use the verb to bark. My dog barks a lot, for example. Now, imagine a dog that is looking for a cat. He knows that the cat is hiding in a tree. So he goes to a tree and he barks at that tree to try to make it come down. But the cat is in a different tree. So the dog is wasting his efforts because he is barking up the wrong tree. Now, let me give you an example when you can use this idiom. Imagine that you want to get promoted at work and you think that the best thing to do is to be really, really nice to your boss. But your boss knows what you're trying to do. And she says to you, look, if you think that you're going to get promoted just because you're being nice to me, you are barking up the wrong tree.
So, fun fact, Barking is also the name of a place in East London.